It's Princess Anna and the Snow Geese. Princess Anna is the younger sister of the Snow Queen Elsa. These are the cute little Snow Geese. They're created every time Elsa sneezes. It looks like Princess Anna brought us a yellow tin with a surprise in it. Cool! It's a Princess Anna Funko Mystery Mini. Here, she appears to be frozen. Next, let's see what Sven brought us. I see lots of pink Play-Doh Dippin Dots. It's Joy from Disney Pixar Inside Out, and she's holding a memory ball. We also got a pack of Inside Out fruit snacks. I can't wait to see which ones we got. Let's take a closer look and see who we got. The purple one looks like fear. The blue one is sadness. The green one is disgust. The red one is anger. Now let's see what's inside of Queen Elsa's tin. It's Bulbasaur from Pokemon. Next we have Olaf. He's the fun-loving snowman created by Queen Elsa. We also have a giant singing Olaf.
Kids will dandelion fuzz, and I'll be doing whatever snow does in summer.
Silly Olaf, he fell down. Let's sit him back up. Oh, he's not through singing and dancing.
Kids will dandelion fuzz, and I'll be doing whatever snow does in summer.
Now let's see what surprise he brought us. It's Princess Merida from Brave. She's a bit of a tomboy. She loves riding her horse Angus and practicing her archery. We hope you enjoyed the video. Give us a like and share with all of your friends. Thanks for watching. Click the subscribe button.